Well, hello there. I'm Marie with WTI. Have you ever been stressed or had muscle cramps or restless leg syndrome or digestion issues? Well, this could help you. It's really helped me. It's called Calm, and this is in the cherry flavor, which is really good. It's my husband and I's favorite. Here's how I take it, how I found it to be the most beneficial for me. So you put it in your mug, and then you add hot water or warm water, warm to hot, and you let it fizz. So it says 2 to 3 ounces. And then you let it do its thing. So it goes in, it fizz, dissolves. This is the proper way for it to release the best magnesium. And you add the rest of the water. And you can add cold water if you want, or you can continue to add it hot water so that it tastes like tea if you prefer it that way. But it tastes really good. It's a really pleasant flavor. Kind of looks like powdered sugar. So it's kind of the consistency, if you see that, it's kind of like powdered sugar. So as you can see, there's a lot of things it can help with, and it's such a great flavor. You have to try it and see if it might help you too. And that's my point of view.